All right. And when we talk about the absent, like when we talk about third person,
Ka- Kawai, Kawaiya for single male, Kawaiya for double male, Kawaiyu for multiple males, Kawai, Kawaiyat, Kawait,
Kawait,
Kawait for Kawait for male, Kawaita for double female, and Kawaina
no,
for multiple females.
perfect. Okay, Nida, I was thinking that after learning all of these tasarif, we need to focus on the Quranic Arabic as well because Fusa is a very vast, as you know that we don't know so many tasarif about every single word. So first of all, we need to focus on the Quranic Arabic and Quranic words. All right, so as I'll get free, I'll get recovered, as I told you my health condition. So I'll definitely look into that. For now, I really need you guys to practice, and practice regarding all of the previous work, regarding all of the tasarif. And as I told you guys that detached and attached pronouns, unless we will make sentences for the practice, we will not get the proper grip to understand. For that purpose, I will share regularly in group about the different kind of vocabulary and different kind of sentence making, so you guys can easily make sentences at home by yourself. Okay?
Teacher, I have one question,
Yeah.
as you know, we have all this girdan. We know now looking to word, we at least we will come to know that whether we are talking about a female or a male, or we are talking in the present or absent, in the past. Okay, now we are present or past. So as you told one word, yadribu shows that it's a third person, it is a male, single male.
Hmm.
If anybody will say hua yadribu, is it considered as wrong, or it will be acceptable? It will be, it will be like, okay, it is, because hua
No,
also shows that he is third person,
see.
and yadribu may ya also shows that he
Hmm.
is male and third person.
See,
So
when
is
we
it correct
make,
if anybody will say?
no, both are correct. When we make a continuous sentence, like for instance, let me tell you, wait a minute. Here is, if I would say, Khalid Yadribu, Khalid
Hmm.
Yadribu, Akil, that's
Hmm.
it. This is the continuous sentence. Like in a frequent way, when we make a sentence that he
Hmm.
hits him,
Hmm.
he is
Hmm.
hitting him. Say, okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
if I would say huwa yadribu, it's correct.
Hmm.
It
Correct.
depends that either I am taking the name or either I am saying huwa or hiya. Like he is or
Or
she is, we used to speak in
ha,
English.
if I'll say yadribu, this is also correct.
Exactly. Both are correct.
Okay, both are correct. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Okay.
Like for instance, I would say haza kitabi, right? Haza kitabi, this is my book.
Hmm. Hmm.
And if I would say kitabi, my book. But
Hmm. Sahi.
obviously,
Sahi.
when we
Yes. Yes.
make sentences, we need to use
Hmm.
huwa, hiya, haza, hazihi. For complete, for to complete the sentence, we need to add the huwa here as well. Okay. So yes, if we are only talking about that, yes, yadribu means this and yadribani means this. But if I want to make sentence and I want to describe some situation or describe something, so I need to add haza, hazihi, huwa, here. All right. I hope you understood.
Yes, I understood. I understood. Yes. Yes. I understood.
Okay, so let's make some sentences. Wait a minute. Anyone can make sentence, anything regarding anything. Like let's speak in English and then translate it in Arabic if you want, guys. How can we do that?
The door is open.
Okay, the door is open. So how would I make it? The door is open.
Al-bab maftuha.
Al-bab,
مفتوح
Al-babu
مفتوح
maftuha.
al-bab, al-bab maftuh. Al-bab maftuh. The door is open.
Al-bab maftuha. Okay.
Like for instance,
He is going to school. So yazhabu ila al-madrasa.
Yes, perfect. He is going to school. And he is going to his school?
Yazhabu ila al-madrasatu. Madrasa with
Madras
madrasa, his school said,
Madrasa
you know,
مدرسة
madrasatuhu.
Yes, right?
Okay,
مدرسة
fine.
Yazhabu ilal madrasa tuhu. All right?
And if it will say she is going to her school means tazhabu ila al-madrasatuha.
Yes, perfect. And if we would say they go to school, they go to their school. It would be difficult for you. Only make they go to school.
Hum
What I say?
ila al-madras नहीं, not hum, मतलब एक मिनट हम मल्टीपल है
ذهبتهم
यज़हबून ila al-madrasa.
Yazhabuna ilal madrasa.
यज़हबूना ila al-madrasa.
Yes, they go to school. Okay?
हाँ, they go to school, fine.
All right.
And if we will say they go to their school means yazhabun ila al-madrasa to whom.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
Perfect. So likewise, we have to make sentences. Like for instance, if I want to say, what do I say? Let's make some English sentences and then we can translate. Like for instance, in Fele Mazi, we can make sentence.
Teacher, इस जुमले को she stays beside my building or she stays beside my home. So here askun beside is, if I'm not wrong, it's khalaf.
Khalaf is in front, I guess. Wait.
In front, okay. So beside, wait, let me see the beside.
Firstly, firstly, we have to focus on the very easy sentences. So we can
Okay.
frequently make sentences in a
Okay.
proper manner, right?
Okay.
Like for instance, she cooked food. She cooked food. Like if we would say in past tense, she cooked food. How would we say?
In past tense, she cooked means the absent one or the present one?
She cooked, mazi.
माजी में नहीं, हम माजी में हैं, हम मजहूल की बात कर रहे हैं. नहीं, सॉरी, माजी में भी हम थर्ड पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं, सेकंड पर्सन की. थर्ड पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं.
Yes, she means third person. I am not saying
Here cook means tabakhat attam.
هي طبخت.
Yes, here tabakhat matam.
Matam, okay.
Fil matbakh. In the kitchen or not. All right. Okay, my book is in the bag. How would I say? My book is in the
Ana kitab fi al-haqiba.
كتابي في حقيبتي.
Yes, my book is in the book. Kitabi, my book, fil haqibati. In the
حقيبتي is my bag.
Haqibati, in my bag. Or if you would say haqiba, so it means in the bag. Fil haqiba, in the bag, or fi haqibati, in my bag.
So
Like
Hakibati, not saying Hakibati, then we don't have to put Ana.
yes,
Ana
exactly.
is for
No,
I am.
Correct. Yes, correct. If we are saying kitabi, then no need to put ana.
exactly. Okay, so how can we make more sentences like I read the book? How can I say it? I read the book.
Ana iqra al-kitab.
It's fi'l mazi. I read the book.
अच्छा. Ana
Qara'u,
qara
Qara'u kitab.
ana qarat qarati fi al-kitab. Ana
Qara'tu,
नहीं, ana qaratu fi al-kitab.
See, when
Qara'tu al-kitab.
we need to be tricky when we make sentences like if I say I read the book. So specifically, I have to focus that what is the sentence like it is fi'l mazi or fi'l mudare. It's mazi. So I would say qara'tu. I read the book. Qara'tu al-kitab. Okay?
Okay.
You read the book. Qara'ati al-kitab. He read the book. Hiya qara'a al-kitab. Sorry, huwa. Huwa qara'a al-kitab. Hiya qara'at al-kitab. She read the book. So likewise, we can make sentences, and in this way, if we will do practice, practice, and practice, so automatically we understand that in which sequence and how can we add the things inside the sentences. Like, how can we say, the teacher went to the class.
Can you repeat?
Mudarrisa zahabat. Class is, if I'm not wrong, can you
Class
please
is
tell me
saf
what
and fasal, both are correct.
fasl? Okay. Mudarrisa zahabat ilal safl.
Ilal fasl or ilal saf. Okay.
Ilal saf. Okay.
Zahabat,
Correct? Is it correct?
yeah, zahabat mudarrisa or mudarrisa zahabat, both are correct. Okay, sequence is doesn't matter. Mudarrisa zahabat ilal fasl. The teacher went to the class. Okay, so if I would say, Khalid, Khalid goes to the garden.
Khalid yazhibu the كيف लिखा होगा
إلى الحديقة.
إلى الحديقة.
Exactly. يذهب خالد إلى الحديقة. Okay, so now Mariam will go to the house.
Maryam tazhabu ilal bayt. No, Maryam will go. Maryam sayazhabu ilal bayt.
ستذهب.
Satazhabu. हाँ. Maryam satazhabu ilal bayt.
Perfect. Okay.
If we will say Maryam will go tomorrow to her house. So क्योंकि आपने कहा कि जो far future होता है उसके लिए सौफा यूज करते हैं. तो Maryam सौफा तजहबु ilal bayt. Tomorrow is, if I'm not wrong, it is
بالأمس.
bil ams. Ams, yes. Yesterday is what is yesterday,
No,
teacher?
sorry. بالأمس is yesterday. غدا.
Okay, and tomorrow
سوف.
Gadan is tomorrow.
Yeah, سوف
हाँ.
تذهب مريم إلى البيت غدا.
हाँ. Gadan, okay. Tomorrow, and Ams is yesterday.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
So, give it a try for the dual or plural. Like Maryam and Aisha went to the house yesterday.
Maryam and Aisha ذهبتا إلى البيت أمس. Is
Perfect.
it correct?
إلى البيت بالأمس.
ओके إلى البيت بالأمس. बिल को अगर हम उर्दू में कन्वर्ट करें तो या इंग्लिश में व्हाट इट विल रेफर बिल
Ba is
एनीबॉडी
yeah, ba is like you can say symbolize by tomorrow
ओके बाय
or
टुमारो
or
ओके ओके
with
बाय
we
यस
yes, we will learn more things like for instance as we will move on, so we will see that these kind of words have multiple meanings like ba we can say with, ba we can say by. So these kind of things we can use ba in the sense of that. Okay. Okay. Anyone else give it a try more? Okay, who will tell me? She washes her clothes. She washes her clothes.
I'll try. I can try, but I want other people
Adishu,
also.
تغسل uh, uh, تغسل clothes. What
Malabis.
do we
Malabis.
ملابس
تغسل
تغسل الملابس
تغسل الملابسها. Her clothes.
ملابسها. Okay. تغسل الملابس.
All right. And what else we can make? I will share some flyers, posters in the group, and you guys have to learn them and try to make sentences all by yourself so we can learn the things. Right now, हम previous questions repeat कर लेते हैं also. Firstly, I am going to repeat the all girdans from the beginning, like we are running out the time. Fele mudare. Tadribu, tadribani. I'm talking about fele mudare hazir. Tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna. Tadribina, tadribani, tadribna. When we talk about third person, fele ghaib, mudare. Yadribu, yadribani, yadribuna. Tadribu, tadribani, yadribna. Now, fele amar. Fele amar is always for only second person because the person who is in front of us, we command them. We are not supposed to command the person who is not present. So fele amar always only have 6 sigas for the male and female, dual and plural, in front of the person who is in front of us, male or female. Either it would be male or either it would be female. Idrib, idriba, idribu, idribi, idriba, idribna. Nahi Hazir, I told you if I would say, I would command, don't do this. So for that purpose, I always use fele mudare, and the same fele mudare words will come, only la we will add, la. La shows don't. So don't hit la tadrib. La tadriba, la tadribu. It would be the same fele mudare like fele mudare have the girdans. Isme fa'il, isme maful we already have discussed, but right now we are focusing on mazi, muzare and amr. So fele mudare hazir. Darabta, darabtuma, darabtum, darabti, darabtuma, darabtunna. Absent, daraba, daraba, darabu, darabat, darabata, Darabna. I hope you guys are regularly practicing these sigas. Darabtu, I hit it. Darabna, we hit it. इनको भी देख लेते हैं हम. इशारा बईद, जब हम इशारा करीब कहते हैं तो वो होता है हाजा, दिस, हाजी ही, दिस. हाजा फॉर मेल एंड हाजी ही फॉर फीमेल. हाजानी for two males, hatani for two females, and haulai for all males and all females. So ये भी आप इसकी भी प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू कर दें. It's very easy. It's not difficult. Haza hazi we already have done. Hazani for two males, dual males. Hatani for two females. So if we better that we have to start making sentences in this way. Like when we talk about two males, so we would say hazani rajulun. Like these two males were hitting or something like that. So in this way we would say hazani rajulun. Wait a minute. Hazani rajulun tadribani. Hazani rajulun tadribani. Like for instance, two males people. These two men hit it. These two men hit it. Hatani imratun. So these kind of things you have to practice. I hope Nida you are getting, Zainab you are getting. Haulai when we talk, we are talking about all of the people. Haulai. And we all know that we have seen this word so many times in Quran Pak. Here we have some sentences. Hazat tiflu, hazihil bintu, haulail itfalu, hazanit tiflani, hatanil bintani, haulail banat, haulai al banat. So we need to discriminate in between dual and plural. So we can easily make sentences. This is ishara baid, like far. When we say that, those. So zalika, wo ek mard. Tilka, wo ek aurat. Zalika, I am talking about that men. Tilka is that woman. Zanika, two males dwell. Tanika, two female. Ulaika, all males and all females. So it is very easy. Just need the repetition. Just need the practice. Zalika, one man. Tilka, one woman. Zanika, two men. Tanika, two women. And Ulaika, all of the men and all of the women. Is there any question so far?
Not yet, teacher.
I hope these Ishara Baid and Ishara Kareeb are easy for you guys to learn.
You can do one thing. If you can send us a paper, sentences in English or Urdu, 5 sentences, and we will convert it and we will send it to you in Arabic.
Sure, I'll definitely.
This could help everyone, this could help everyone using 5 routine sentences on daily basis. On daily basis, not only one. I think so on daily basis, this is the practice must be needed. So 5 sentences or 4 sentences on daily basis. So for at least 5 days a week, if we will do this practice, so we will come to know good enough sentences using in our daily life.
I also want you guys to notice that which kind of sentence you want to convert in Arabic. So you can write it in chat and you guys can discuss in the chat group. Like if I would write something in English and try to give it a try to convert it in Arabic, and we can correct that. Okay, here you are having mistake, so we can correct like this. So in this way also, this would be the exercise in practice. All right. I'll definitely for sure share the things in the group. And tomorrow, inshallah, I'll try my level best to take a long class so we can do more practice and we can learn more lessons from the Baina Yadayk book. I want you guys to start practicing the classroom sentences in Arabic also, so we can frequently know about the uh, basic things, that how can we greet in Arabic and how can we say goodbye in Arabic and these kind of things. So inshallah, I'll try my level best to tell you about those sentences, inshallah. So I think,
टीचर
Excuse
yes,
me.
yes,
मैं बोलूँ सर या आप बोलेंगी?
no, sure, go ahead.
आप बोले आप
अच्छा चले मैं बात करती हूँ। अच्छा ये जो आपने पढ़ाया है टीचर, ये जो है हाउलाई जालिका तालिका, तो ये हम बुक से नहीं पढ़ सकते? मतलब ऐसे ना पेजेस में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो रही है। तो इशारा करीब और इशारा بعيد जो आपने बताया अभी, जो जिसका इंट्रोडक्शन आपने हमें दिया अभी, तो हमें बुक से नहीं करवा सकती हैं आपके कुछ इस तरह की कुछ सेंटेंसेस हो जो हमें बुक से मिल जाए, जिससे हम कन्वर्ट कर लें और कन्वर्ट
Yes,
करके फिर हम उसकी जो है वो
for that purpose, I will give you the exercises I am telling you, as Nida told. I will share the sentences and you guys have to make sentences all by yourself. For that purpose, you need to make notes as well. Jot down the notes in your book, in your notebook, and note down that this is Ishara Kareeb. For that purpose, we need this, that, this, Haza for male, Hazihi for female, Hazani for dwell, male, Hatani for dwell, female. And when we start making sentences, automatically we will work on that. I'll definitely try my level best to share some books, but whole books I don't want to share, as there would be some confusion in your head. So that's why I want you guys to make notes in your notebook and try to practice. Okay?
Okay.
And I will definitely share the sentences and you guys have to make in Arabic. All right?
Okay.
Anything else?
just one thing Nida is saying about behind and front. So behind is khalaf and in front is amam. Only I want to clarify because I have paper in front of me. That's all.
Wait a minute. Behind is khalaf.
It's Medina book 61 page.
Yes, behind is khalaf and imam is in front. Okay? And book Medina also, we will try to open it tomorrow, inshallah, so we can learn more vocabulary, because we need to make some sentences after memorizing the vocabulary. So you guys have to do practice. All right.